A few months ago, I made a video on Robinhood app and how I thought it was a good app, but the taxes were something that a lot of people didn't think about. So I decided it was time to make an updated review of the Robinhood app for 2020. And now that they've offered fractional shares, I think this is even more important. We're going to talk about it next. Firefighter's Financial Toolbox. Welcome back, you guys. My name is Brad. Robinhood has started to offer, or they're going to start offering next week, fractional shares. And with the ad, you can invest as little as $1 at a time. It was pretty popular. It shows that over 200,000 people signed up to get on the waiting list for fractional shares on the first day. I went into my app and tried to sign in, and as you can see, I'm in line with almost 511,000 other people to get fractional shares. Now, full disclosure, I'm not currently using Robinhood for investing, but I do have an account that I've not funded just because I like to keep up with what's going on, and different apps are appropriate for different people. Now, I decided to do a little quasi review for 2020 of the Robinhood app. Because of the fractional shares, it adds a little bit more. So let's take a look at what Robinhood has done. First of all, I think the idea behind Robinhood was groundbreaking. Make an app, make investing easy for people to get into, especially for young people. Here's my biggest drawback, and it always has been with Robinhood. No Roth IRA option. No IRA options at all. You guys remember about my Robinhood hits some of my mantras. Low cost, because it's free commission, no commission free trading, right? Easy to use, something that you can keep going with easily enough, but you have to take advantage of the tax advantage accounts first. Why would you put money into an account that's going to get you taxed in the year you put it in when you can open a free Roth IRA at M1 or one of the other ones that offer IRAs and put away $6,000. You guys, tax advantage space is imperative to be used first. And tax-free growth that you get from a Roth IRA, to me, is the most important thing. But let's digress. Let's talk about the things that they've done. First of all, I think it was groundbreaking. When Robinhood first came out, it was a simple app. They offered easy way to buy individual stocks for people, commission free, which was unheard of 5 years ago. I was paying $4.95 a trade until 3 months ago, you guys. This is great. And you know what? They've also driven the big companies to look that way. TD Ameritrade, Charles Schwab offering commission-free trades. They're offering fractional shares coming up as well. They're all trying to compete. So Robinhood is trying to up their game so that they can add more to it. They're also offering, or will be offering, dividend reinvestment plans coming up. You'll be able to do recurring investments to make it easier. Once you link your bank account, you can do a recurring investment for once a week, once a month, however you like, which makes it easier. Set it and forget it, right? Another way that's really making it easy for people to invest. And apparently it's popular because they have over 10 million customer accounts at Robinhood currently. Let's talk about the pros and cons. So for me, the biggest pro is there's no account minimum. It's got an easy interface, albeit sort of basic, but a simple way to buy and sell stocks and ETFs. You also have cryptocurrencies if you want. You can do margin trading if you're into that kind of stuff. And the trades take place on the spot. If I hit buy, it's going to buy at that price right now, which is good. Biggest con, as we talked about, no retirement accounts. It also offers no mutual funds or bond funds. And their customer service support is a little bit lacking, you guys. I've not personally had experience, but the people I've talked to who have say it's a little bit less than stellar. So, is it worth it? I think if you've already maxed out your Roth IRA and you still want to invest more money, you guys, I think Robinhood is a good investment app that makes it simple. And now with fractional shares, you can put in $50 a week or $25 a week, right? And still every month your account's growing. But I say again, do it after you have already maxed out your Roth IRA, especially you young people. Tax-free growth times 40 years is huge. The longer you have for that money to grow tax-free, the more money you will have, because you're not paying the taxes on it each year that you would in a brokerage account. All right. If there's anything that I missed, you guys, put them in the comments for me. If you disagree with me, let me know. If you agree, give me a thumbs up. If you're not new to the channel and you haven't already subscribed, please think about subscribing. It really helps the algorithm. The numbers are growing and I'm stoked about it. So, have a good week. All right, we'll see ya.